In the realm of action cameras, a revolution is unfolding. Artificial intelligence is not just knocking on the door, it's kicked it wide open. The latest entrant, the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro, are the epitome of this revolution, blurring the line between human and machine capabilities. The Insta360 Ace, a marvel of engineering, is an action camera that brings the future to the present. Fitted with a 2.4 inches flip-up LED touchscreen, it boasts of a new Ace CMOS image sensor and Leica-designed Summer IT lenses. These features ensure that the Ace captures up to 8K 24 action footage with a 48-megapixel sensor. Moreover, the Ace is equipped with flow-state stabilization and horizon lock to ensure smooth, stable footage, even in the most challenging conditions. It's even waterproof up to 32 feet, making it the perfect companion for underwater adventures. And with a 90-minute runtime and fast charging, it is designed to keep up with the most active lifestyles. But the Ace doesn't stop there. It also incorporates AI-powered voice and gesture control. This not only gives you the freedom to operate the camera hands-free, but also allows you to control it with simple hand gestures. This is an action camera that truly understands you. Meanwhile, the Insta360 Ace Pro takes it a step further. It includes a larger 1/1, 3 inches CMOS image sensor and a 5 nanometers chip. This allows it to capture up to 8K photo and video capture in a tiny action body. It's not just an action camera, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse.